Welcome to another Care & Co tutorial. In this video, we're breaking down step-by-step instructions to make your little one the most adorable chunky ribbon necklace. All of the bead supplies you need to make your own can be found on our website, including ready-made kits with ribbon. Let's get crafting! To make a ribbon beaded necklace, you will need 36 inches of 1/4 inch wide satin ribbon, approximately 11 acrylic beads, a beading needle, scissors, a lighter, and you're ready to go. Thread your beading needle onto your pre-cut ribbon. Thread your beads onto your ribbon in your preferred order, centering the beads in the middle of the ribbon. Tie a single knot against each end bead to keep your beads from sliding onto your ribbon. Tie both ends together in a double knot or a single knot followed by a bow. This knot will determine how long your necklace hangs, so adjust accordingly. Trim the ends to your desired length and lightly melt the ends with a lighter to prevent it from fraying. Ribbon melts very quickly, so be sure to go slow. Ribbon necklaces are such a fun craft for you to do with your kids. We can't wait to see what you guys create. We'd love to keep crafting with you. Check out more videos and tutorials on our YouTube channel and make sure you're subscribed to see our newest videos first. Happy crafting!